this video, I am going to show you how to embed the passcode in the invite link for one click to join on the Zoom website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Settings button in the Personal section. Scroll down after selecting the meeting option at the top. And here you can find this embed passcode and invite link that you can enable, meaning that the passcode will be encrypted and included in the invite link so that the participants can join with just one click without entering the passcode. So turn it on by tapping on this button. And as you can see, your settings have been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.